Greetings to all the viewers. This session is going to deal with basic concepts of chemistry. So here so many kind of basic concepts of chemistry are going to added to these series of sessions. You can find all these at the channel Dr. Kavita Chemistry Academy, All Year World of Competitive Chemistry. Which of the following correctly represent a chemical change based on the change in the composition and formation of a new substance, right? So chemical change to be identified: dissolving common salt in water, melting of ice into water, boiling of water to form a steam, rusting of an iron almira. So among all these, which is said to be what chemical change we need to depict? In order to identify that one, first of all, we need to know about what is chemical change, what is physical change. The process where one or more substances are changed into a new or different substance. It involves the change of chemical composition and usually irreversible, right? So chemical change means for change in the composition giving rise to new or different substances is said to be chemical change, whereas physical change is nothing but a process where physical properties like a state of the matter, shape of the material and the size of the material may changes, but composition remains same. But chemical composition remains same. These are typically reversible in nature. Starting material to product, product to starting material. Kind of transformation you can notice by means of physical change. Chemical change we need to identify, because our question is what is the chemical change among all the given options to be identified. Dissolving the common salt in water. Whenever salt added to water, it will be dissolved so that a solid substance will be transformed into liquid one simply. A salt sodium chloride can be recovered by the evaporation. No chemical change is noticed. Simply it is the physical change of the matter that is called as solubility. Melting of ice into water. Whenever you're melting of ice into water, again water into ice, no change in the chemical composition, that is H2O. In both the phases it remains H2O only, hence you can depict it as a physical change. The change of state is possible, solid turned into a liquid form, right? So solid to liquid transformation is called as a physical change, so that this is also wrong. Boiling of water to form a steam. So liquid to vapor state, again it is the physical transformation. So liquid to vapor formation is possible. Again water is the composition of water and steam both. So this is also the kind of physical transformation. Rusting of iron. So it is the form of chemical change because iron is pure metal existing in Fe form. Whenever rusting taken place, that is the simple oxidation process under moisture conditions. Wherever iron oxidation under moisture condition taken, that transformed into ferric oxide, n number of water molecules are possible. This is an entirely new substance with respect to starting material iron metal. That's the reason why you can depict this as a rusting of iron as a chemical change. That's the reason why here, among all the given options, the perfect answer for the chemical change is rusting of iron almira is the right answer. So, by this we are going to conclude the session. Signing off, Dr. Kavita Kothireddy Kota.